What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Okay you guys, so we're still here in Dollar Tree and I'm on the next aisle. Right away I'm noticing new items like this sea salt 0% aluminum deodorant, all day fresh, 2.5 ounces. This is not a little thing of deodorant, it's the full size. It's definitely brand new for the week. And of course, we still have brands like Speed Stick, and we have Arm & Hammer. These Speed Sticks are how many ounces? 1.8 ounces. So this one for 2.5 gives you a lot of value. What's this? Peel off black mask with mask applicator for men, a charcoal mask. That's definitely new as well. Looks like we still have Brute, Suave, and Arid extra dry deodorant for men as well. And ladies, if that's your thing, if you like men's deodorant, hey, I have no problem with it. 2-count nose strips by the Nobleman. Last year we were getting like an 8-count in a box around Father's Day. I guess that wasn't even a year ago. Eye serum for men. The Nobleman's trying to put together their entire line. Facial scrub, the deodorant wipes, the big bottle of Nouvelle men's lotion. We have Suave lotions here as well. Also the Dove for face, hands, and body. Dove Men Plus Care. Lots of hand sanitizer. We have powders, foot powders, Nouvelle hand soaps in Fresh Peach. 15 ounces for Fresh Peach and 11 ounces for Berry Blossom or Berry's Blossom. This is a dupe for Aveeno, 5 single-use packets. And for women, we have Lady Speed Stick, Power Stick, and Secret deodorants, 1.5 ounces. We also have a 1.5 ounce Crystal Breeze dial. Okay, over here on this side, you guys know I'm hunting for new brands. Mostly our usuals, Suave Essentials, White Rain, Speed Stick, Power Stick. This one was recently added to Family Dollar, the 2-in-1, Vanilla Blossom and Almond. It's a smoothing shampoo and conditioner. These are brand new. Okay, this is the Power Stick Soften and Brighten Gray Guard Shampoo. It says for gray coarse hair. These are definitely brand new. It's a sulfate-free shampoo. And what are the directions? It says shampoo made just for gray, blonde, or white hair. Removes brassy yellow tones and boosts healthy shine. So, brand new for the week is Gray Guard shampoo for gray hair. Definitely a new item. Ooh, this is new. We have a brand new Witch Hazel. It's actually a Witch Hazel solution, fragrance free, gentle skincare, clean and fresh. 6 ounces, brand new for the week. Hunting again. That's what we do. We have to hunt for the new items. The Salon Selectives Frizz Control. I feel like this is new. Or maybe the packaging is new. Scrubbies, face masks. Once again, these are still here in my store. The e.l.f. brightening masks. This store always has a lot of skincare, face masks, and all sorts of stuff like that. Be Pure, what's this? A cleanser, a serum, and a mask. Oh yeah, I was gonna get one of these. So one of our cats has been scratching on one of our doors. So my husband was like, yeah, we should put up something to make her stop scratching. And I was thinking, what if we hung something like this? It's thin enough. I could probably just put in some thumbtacks and I don't know, maybe she'll stop scratching. It's worth a try though. I think I'm gonna get this today. See if that does a trick for $1. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at all of these. These are all brand new. Everything is so cute, you guys, over here. We have new lip balms. Definitely grab this stuff for Christmas. It reminds me of that one line from Target. You guys know the one. Oh my gosh, look at these little lip glosses. So cute. So cute. We also have, do we have polishes? Aw, little polishes. Look at this one. Grape jelly, lip gloss. We have even more. We have mango melon. These are so cute, you guys. We have vanilla sugar. We have cute little nail stickers. These are so cute. We even have toe separators. If you guys are getting your stocking stuffers ready now, if you're starting to collect items now, you definitely have to look for this cute little display. This is what it looks like. It says super sweet on it. Down below we have even more. Okay, here are some more of the polishes we have. We have this little one. We have silver. More of these. And we have some super tiny press-on nails. Those are so cute. So cute. And then over here, we have some brand new beauty blenders. They're all latex free. They're all marbled, purple and white, green and white, kind of a peach and yellow. Pinkies. Which one's your favorite? You know which one my favorite is. I love the pink and white. This one, this is my favorite right here. Super cute. Well, you guys, we are already finding a lot of new items. Definitely join me in my very next video. We're gonna look at even more new items for the week. I'm super excited. I love finding brand new displays of things. It gets me really excited for what I might find next. Anyways, you guys, join me in my next video. We're gonna go on the hunt for even more new items and have a lot of fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.